The method is Barthelot method. Okay. In this test, we used 3 reagents. First one is L1, buffer reagent. Second one is L2, enzyme reagent, and third one is L3, chromogen reagent. Okay. The principle of urea test, anyone? We use the sample for urea test is urine or serum or plasma. Okay. Today we use plasma sample. Okay. In this sample, the presence of urea is reacted by the enzyme is urease, present enzyme reagent. Okay. Then after reaction, urease converted into ammonia or CO2, and then the ammonia further reacted the presence of phenolic chromosome and hypochlorite to form a green color complex. Okay. The color intensity is directly proportional to the amount of urea present in the sample. Okay. This is semi-auto machine is used to perform this test. The filter is 570 nanometer yellow filter. For GOD purity test is used green filter, but urea test is used yellow filter. The normal range is urea test in serum or plasma 14 to 40 mg per dl, milligram per dl, and in urine sample up to 20 gram per dl. Okay. The procedure is test. Firstly, we take 1000 microliter L1 reagent, 1000 microliter. Okay. Then added 100 microliter L2 reagent, and then add 10 microliter sample. Clear? Then incubate for 10 minutes. After the incubation, we further added 200 microliter L3 reagent. Okay, and then incubate 10 minutes. Total incubation time 10, 10, 20 minutes. Firstly L1, L2 plus sample 1000, 100 and 10. Then 10 minute incubation. After 10 minutes we added L3 200 microliter and then incubation 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we measure the intensity or concentration of urea present in the sample through the semi-auto machine. And the calculation is absorbance of test by absorbance of standard into concentration of standard. The concentration of standard is provided 40. Check this. লেখা আছে ব্র্যাকেটে 40. The concentration of standard is provided. So absorbance of test by absorbance of standard into 40. Okay. যে কোনো একজন এসে করো, 5 জন 5 জন করে গ্রুপ করে নাও, একজন একজন করে পারফর্ম করো। নাও কে করবে ফার্স্টলি? কেউ করবে না? তোমাদের মধ্যে থেকে কেউ করবে? ফার্স্ট কি দেবে? 1000 মাইক্রোলিটার L1 রিয়েজেন্ট। নাও পিপেটিং জানা আছে? দুটো রেজিস্ট্যান্স হয়, ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড। অলওয়েজ ফার্স্ট রেজিস্ট্যান্স অবধি আমরা প্রেস করব, সেকেন্ডটা নয়, তাহলে দ্য অ্যামাউন্ট ইজ এরর। ওকে, 1000 মাইক্রোলিটার এইভাবে প্রেস করব, এইভাবে নয়। ফার্স্ট রেজিস্ট্যান্স অবধি। আর একটু প্রেস, আর একটু ভালো করে চেক করো, এই যে ঠিক আছে, এই হোয়াইট পোর্শনটা অবধি। হ্যাঁ, না প্রথমে প্রেস করব তারপরে ইন করব। হ্যাঁ, ইজিলি। হ্যাঁ, হুম। এটা আমরা কি দিলাম? L1 1000 মাইক্রোলিটার। নেক্সট কি দেবো? L2 100 মাইক্রোলিটার। নেক্সট যে কোনো একজন দাও L2টা। হ্যাঁ, নাও ধরো, এটাকে ধরে নাও। কিছু যদি এক্সট্রা উঠে থাকে সেটা আমরা এইভাবে রিমুভ করব। ওকে, না ওয়াল বে নয়, একদম নিচে যাব, টাচ করাবো না নিচে, টাচ করাবো না। যদি টাচ হয়ে থাকে সেটা ডিসকার্ড করব। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট কি দেব? 10 মাইক্রোলিটার স্যাম্পল, স্যাম্পল যে কোনো আরেকজন দাও। 10 মাইক্রোলিটার। উঠেই নি। টিপসের প্রবলেম হতে পারে। কোনো সময় টাচ করাবো না, আর যদি টাচ হয়ে থাকে তাহলে এটাকে এইভাবে মিক্স করে দেব। ঠিক আছে, দেন ডিসকার্ড করব। হলো, টাইম দেখো, ফার্স্টলি 10 মিনিট ইনকিউবেশন, দেন আমরা আবার L3 অ্যাড করব, দেন আবার 10 মিনিট। নাও নেক্সট যে কোনো আরেকজন আসো। ফার্স্টলি 1000 মাইক্রোলিটার L1 লেখা আছে এর গায়ে, সবসময় চেক করে নেব, চেক না করে দেবে না। নেক্সট যে কোনো এসে 100টা দাও, L2টা, এটা 10, 100, L2। সবসময় আগে রিয়েজেন্টের বটল চেক করে নেবে, এক্সামের সময় কেউ ধরবে না, তখন তোমাকে র্যাকে রেখে নিতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, পিপেটিং ওই ইউরিয়ারই, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ একটা গ্রুপ নিয়েছে, টাচ করাবে না। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, এবার নেক্সট কি দেবো? 10 কি দেবো? স্যাম্পল নাও। টাচ করাবে না। হলো, এবার মিক্স করো জেন্টালি শেক করে, বাবল যাতে ক্রিয়েট না হয়। 10 মিনিট ইনকিউবেশন। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট 10 জনকে কেউ একটু ডেকে দাও।
Let's kit reagent L1 L2 L3 তে কি কি আছে? ওদিকে চলে যা। L1 L2 L3 তে কি কি আছে? What is L1? What is L2? Buffer is L1. L2 is urease enzyme and L3 chromogen. Chromogen এ কি কি আছে? What are the chemicals in reagent? Principle কি? What is the principle of Barthold's test? ওরা কিন্তু বলেছে একই সাথে করলি তো। Barthold's এর প্রিন্সিপাল কি? Breakdown of urea by urease enzyme. So urea estimation is of two types, enzymatic method and chemical method. In enzymatic method, urease enzyme acts on urea and urea is broken down into ammonia and carbon dioxide. So the ammonia produced reacts with the chromogen, that is salicylate and hypochlorite in presence of nitroprusside catalyst. তাহলে reagent যেটা আছে তার মধ্যে L1 is buffer just to dissolve the other solutions, and L2 is the urease enzyme for step 1, and L3 is chromogen that contains hypochlorite and salicylate and nitroprusside. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে what is the procedure of Barthold's test? We add L1. In L1 there is buffer solution. So what is the amount? 1000 L1 with sample is sample কত 10 microliter sample and urease enzyme L2 is 100. Then we have to incubate for 10 minutes and then we have to add L3. তোদের কোন স্টেপ চলছে? Which incubation? First incubation. তাহলে সবাই কাউন্ট করছিস? আচ্ছা, after adding L2, L3, the second incubation period is of again 10 minutes. Okay, so if we see the color change, then we will estimate the OD and what is the OS, ODS, sorry, concentration of standard here 40. ঠিক আছে? So we have to calculate the concentration of our sample urea from the equation. Clear though? And what are the clinical conditions where we may find urea in blood? All these we are estimating our blood urea calculation, তাই তো? So normal range of urea in blood is 14 to 40, 15 to 40 milligram per dl. Always mention the unit, milligram per dl. So what may be the cause of increased urea concentration? What is the term for increased urea concentration in blood? No, when there is the patient is presenting with some symptoms of increased urea concentration, then it is known as uremia. Otherwise, increased concentration of urea in blood is known as azotemia. So what may be the causes of azotemia? The causes can be divided into 3 distinct groups. Okay, renal, pre-renal and post-renal. So renal cause is very easy when there is filtration problem. Filtration problem where we may find in acute glomerulonephritis, in pyelonephritis, okay, acute kidney injury, and all these things when the filtration is hampered. ঠিক আছে? So lesser amount of urea will be excreted. In case of pre-renal, where the overall circulation is diminished, the blood reaching to our kidneys are decreased. Okay, so GFR is decreased and that's why filtration of urea is decreased. ঠিক আছে? So what are the conditions where the overall blood circulation is hampered? No, pre-renal causes. In pre-renal causes, the main cause is decreased blood circulation to the kidney. So what may be the causes in pre-renal? Tachycardia. Tachycardia মানে কি? Heart beat বেড়ে যাওয়া, tachycardia. Circulation কমে গেলে heart will try to pump it more and then there can be tachycardia. But what is the pathological conditions where the circulation is diminished? Heart failure. Heart failure, failure কি হবে? Heart will not be able to pump enough blood to circulate. Or if there is any hemorrhage, massive hemorrhage, blood loss যদি হয়, decreased circulation হবে, blood volume overall কমে যাবে, decreased circulation হবে and that will lead to decreased GFR. আর severe dehydration, in severe diarrhea and vomiting, তাহলেও blood volume কমে যাবে, মানে fluid loss এর জন্য blood volume কমে যাবে and that will lead to decreased GFR. আর একটা খুব important বলেছিলাম, that is major burn injuries. Burn injury তেও fluid loss হয় open tissue থেকে, so that will lead to circulatory failure. ঠিক আছে? Pre-renal হলো circulatory failures, renal হলো kidney pathologies and post-renal outflow of urine if there is any obstruction in urine outflow pathway. So that may lead to decreased filtration. Urine is not getting produced, তাই তো? So what are the causes for urinary tract obstruction? Prostate hypertrophy can be one. Next is renal stone. আগে বলবি stone. There may be a blockage due to stone. There may be prostatic enlargement. Next, there can be strictures. তাই তো? And lastly, any tumors, mass. Here, বোঝা গেছে? serum urea. Acha, what is the principle of this test? Principle of this test. Experiment test. Enzymatic or chemical test? Enzymatic. So which enzyme is used here? What is the action of urea? Urease. Hydrolysis of urea. So the principle starts with breakdown of urea by urease enzyme. Then urea negative urea, ammonia and carbon dioxide in presence of urease enzyme and aqueous media. Hydroprosite. So this step, the second step, they are salicylate, hypochlorite and nitroprosite is part of chromogen. What is chromogen? The color changing substance. Right? The final color will be bluish green and the name of the compound is indophenol. Very good. So this is the principle, two-step reactions. Right? In first step, urea is broken down into ammonia and carbon dioxide by urease enzyme in aqueous medium, and in second step, the ammonia produced is converting salicylate and HOCl into indophenol in presence of nitroprosite. Okay? And what is the procedure? Amount required of reagent and sample. So before going into the detailed procedure, what are the reagents? L1 is buffer solution, L2 is the enzyme urease and L3 chromogen. Okay, so amount of L1, L2 and L3 1000, 100, 200 and sample 10. And what are the incubation periods? 5 to 10 minutes. After adding L1, L2 and sample, and then we have to add L3 200 microliter and we have to incubate for another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? Then after getting the color change, the color will be bluish green. We will estimate the concentration of sample urea. And what is the concentration of standard provided here? 40. Okay? And what is the condition known as where the urea concentration is raised? Serum urea, if increased more than normal range, it is known as azotemia. And when there are symptoms present of azotemia, it is known as uremia. What is the normal range of urea in serum? 15 to 40. But 14 to 40, 15 to 40 milligram per deciliter. Okay, so what are the causes of azotemia? Causes of azotemia? The causes can be divided into three groups: renal, pre-renal, post-renal. In renal cases, filtration is hampered. Filtration is not taking as much as required. Right? So there may be decreased excretion of urea leading to increase in serum concentration, and the causes may be acute kidney failure, acute glomerulonephritis, pyelonephritis, etc. And pre-renal causes, what happens in pre-renal causes? There is circulatory failure. Overall, blood circulation to kidneys are decreased, leading to decreased GFR. So the lesser amount is filtered, so lesser urea is excreted. So constant urea is getting produced in our body and that is getting stored in serum. Right? So what are the causes of circulatory failure? Heart failure hote pare. Next, severe dehydration. And that may be because of severe vomiting or severe diarrhea. Ar ki hote pare? If there is any major burn injury te ki hote pare? Fluid loss from open wound. There is increased fluid loss and leading to dehydration. Ar ki hote pare? Hemorrhage. If there is any massive hemorrhage, that may lead to decreased blood volume and decreased GFR. And post-renal causes where there is any obstruction in outflow, urine outflow. So what are the causes of obstruction? Renal calculi or stone, then enlargement of prostate. Next, any stricture, urethral stricture or ureter stricture, any stricture because of instrumentation, faulty instrumentation. And lastly, what? Tumor or any mass, growing mass obstructing the outflow. And if there can be any scenario where the concentration of urea can decrease, কিসে হতে পারে? Liver cirrhosis. Why? Liver function is decreased. Not only liver function is decreased, overall all functions of liver are hampered. So urea cycle takes place only in liver. The formation of urea takes place in liver only. So if liver is not functioning properly, so production of urea will be hampered. And any other cause of decreased urea production? Protein energy malnutrition. When there is no sufficient protein present in our body, so protein breakdown hobe ki kore?